Right, today we are going to be cleaning some upholstery, and this Volkswagen Passat unfortunately has some very dirty seats. The reason why they look that colour is because the client saw something on the internet that involved using bicarbonate of soda to clean the seats with, and as you can see, all it's done is just load the fabric with bicarbonate of soda and create tide marks. Okay, so we've got to flush all that out, and then we can concentrate on doing a proper clean on the fabric. So what we'll do is we'll come back to this in a bit, and we'll see how it looks then. Right, it's 2 hours, and including in that 2 hours is the drying time, and we've used specialist equipment to accelerate the drying. Customer is on his way back now to collect the car. I'm sure he's going to be really happy with that. Let's go and have a look at the back seats. Remember how they looked? So now all that bicarbonate of soda has been flushed out, all the dirt and everything has gone, and like I said, that is dry. It's still drying out on some of the seams, but that is dry enough now for the customer to jump in and take it home. So there you go. If you want it done properly but not cheaply, give Pro Steam UK a call.